The word two sisters side by side, sing I dum, sing I day. The word two sisters side by side, the boys are bound for me. The word two sisters side by side, the eldest for young Johnny cried, I'll be true unto my love if you'll be true to me. Johnny brought the youngest a gay gold ring, sing I dum, sing I day. Johnny brought the youngest a gay gold ring, the boys are bound for me. Johnny brought the youngest a gay gold ring, he never brought the eldest a single thing. I'll be true unto my love if you'll be true to me. Johnny brought the youngest a beaver hat, sing I dum, sing I day. Johnny brought the youngest a beaver hat, the boys are bound for me. Johnny brought the youngest a beaver hat, the eldest didn't think much of that. I'll be true unto my love if you'll be true to me. They were a-walking by the foamy brim, sing I dum, sing I day. As they were a-walking by the foamy brim, the boys are bound for me. As they were a-walking by the foamy brim, the eldest pushed the youngest in. I'll be true unto my love if he'll be true to me. Sister, oh sister, give me thy hand, sing I dum, sing I day. Sister, oh sister, give me thy hand, the boys are bound for me. Sister, oh sister, give me thy hand, and you can have Johnny in Dolly's land. I'll be true unto my love if he'll be true to me. Oh, sister, I'll not give you my hand, sing I dum, sing I day. Oh, sister, I'll not give you my hand, the boys are bound for me. Oh, sister, I'll not give you my hand, and I'll have Johnny in Dolly's land. I'll be true unto my love if he'll be true to me. The boys are bound for me. So when she sank and away she swam, until she came to the miller's town. And be true unto my love if he'll be true to me. The memory took her gay gold ring, sing I dum, sing I day. The memory took her gay gold ring, the boys are bound for me. The memory took her gay gold ring, and then he pushed her in again. I'll be true unto my love if he'll be true to me. The memory was hanged on the mountain head, sing I dum, sing I day. The memory was hanged on the mountain head, the boys are bound for me.